Do you need custom printed straps to keep your cords organized? If so, Toledo Fasteners Cord Lock Series is the answer for cable management products. Since 1985, we have helped to keep your cables nice and neat without any hassle, and you enjoy the added advertising benefit of having your name, logo, and phone number printed on your custom printed straps. This is an effortless way to keep track of your cables, wires, and hoses. Along with our Cord Locks Coil and Carry and Rack-Ups product lines, we also offer custom printing and fabrication on other straps as well. We make the process easy for you. Simply email us the artwork, then we manipulate it as needed to fit the strap you have chosen. Then we send a final proof, making any necessary changes. After your approval, we work our magic and print out the art and develop a plate all in-house. There are so many uses for cord locks. Everyone from homeowners to the armed services to professional sound and lighting engineers use cord locks with custom branding and color coding to save time and money. To order your custom printed straps, simply visit cord-locks.com.